It's like a combination of your two favorite foods. Fresh from the oven. You don't want to stay here forever. It's hard to leave.
It will be hard to leave. One of our favorite foods to eat in Thailand is green curry, and one of Ben's favorite foods in general is pizza. He would literally eat pizza every single day for every meal. So there's a place here on Koh Jum that we saw has green curry pizza. So we're headed now for lunch. I think the name of the restaurant is Pizza Classic. Yeah, go and have some green curry pizza. I haven't ever seen that on a menu before.
Literally, this is like something I would dream up as a kid. It's like a combination of your two favorite foods. You know when you used to go to the soda machine and then you like add in all the sodas together? I feel like this is what this is in one pizza. It's like a combination of like your two favorite foods combined, like pizza and Thai green curry.
Yeah, so it's like Ben's dream come true.
Yeah.
If we're in Thailand, there's like a 95% chance that what he is ordering to eat is green curry. And if we're not in Thailand, there's like a 95% chance that what he's ordering to eat is pizza. So this is the perfect restaurant and dish for Ben. So hopefully it lives up to the hype. We'll see. We made it to Pizza Classic.
This whole menu's in Thai.
Huh.
And if they have, we'll see if they have an English menu. If not, we'll have to use the translator.
I think we already know what we want.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we have an English menu. So here is the green curry pizza. And then we might get a crispy roti as well. What do you think?
That sounds good to me. We'll do one large water, one of the crispy roti. All of them are? Oh, okay. And then a green curry pizza? Yes.
One of the things I love here in Thailand in general is how all of the restaurants are just like outside. So it's so nice. Like you can see here, it's just like open. Then on this side, there's all the trees and the road over there. So it's just nice. You spend so much time just outside, which we really like.
So the pizza has arrived and it looks really good. It looks incredible. The Thai green curry pizza looks like it's got some, I don't know what those are, but onions, chicken, carrots.
Chickens.
And that looks like baby corn. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
And then I don't know what these are. These little green things, but that's what's in Thai green curry.
We'll find out.
So let's try it. I'm gonna get a plate. That's really hot. Let me wait a second. It's really hot.
Too hot?
Yeah. Fresh from the oven. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait a second for it to cool off. Scoop those toppings back on.
Can't lose your toppings.
All right, first bite. Green curry pizza.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Got some beef.
It smells exactly like Thai green curry. The green curry pizza was a 10 out of 10. It was so good. Everything was so good. Got so hydrated.
We're back at where we're staying, so I thought I'd give you a little tour. We're staying at the Kojium hostel, but we're not staying in a hostel room. We decided we're here for 4 nights, so we decided that we would book one of the bungalows. So it's not super rustic like some of the bungalows that you'll see in Thailand. It looks maybe slightly more modern, but we have this little porch area here, a little clothes rack, and then on this side there's a table and chairs to sit at, which is really nice, especially in the evening when it cools down. And then we have pretty much like the whole side are these glass windows, which is nice for the view. And our shoes. And inside it's nothing crazy, but we've got the bed here. There is air conditioning, which is amazing.
A lifesaver, literally, because it's so hot.
It's like you have to have it. A fan would not be enough. Air conditioner is a necessity here. And then it's a bit of a mess over here, but there's this little like table area, and they did give us some mugs and a kettle, water, toilet paper. There's a little cafe that's close by that we've gotten coffee at, which is good. And then there's a TV. We have not turned this on, so not sure if that works. And then a little place for luggage and hangers. Over here we have the bathroom, which is clean and nice. Just simple sink, toilet, and then the shower is over here. And there is hot water. I had read a lot of stuff of places where people stayed on this island and they said that they didn't have hot water, but we do have hot water. So this is our little bungalow. It was $29 a night. So you can't beat that, and it's really good location. We're kind of like right in the middle of the island. We can walk to the beach, I think, and walk to some restaurants and stuff. So for $29 a night for a private bungalow on a Thai island, who could complain about that?
Pretty good. Joe wants to stay here forever. It's hard to leave.
It will be hard to leave. It will be hard to leave. So yeah, so this is our place.
10 out of 10. Would stay here again. Walking down the beach here on Kojium. What's this beach called?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. There's nobody out here. It's super private. And we're going to get a drink. Have this cute little beach bar.